Hi there, this is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about how extra olive oil helps women with breast cancer lose weight. This is an important topic because uh, being overweight and breast cancer means you have a higher insulin level and probably higher sugar level, both of which encourage breast cancer to grow. So losing weight for breast cancer patients is important. It's also important for all of us who don't have cancer because actually it's helping cancer grow everywhere. So weight loss is an issue. What this study did is they took the approach of comparing the standard National Cancer Institute diet, less than 30% and greater than 15% fat, and replaced it with a primarily plant food-based extra olive oil, 3 tablespoons of olive oil a day diet. Now they enrolled 44 women, only 28 actually completed the study, but findings were very interesting. Of the women who chose or who were randomized to the olive oil diet, 80% lost weight. Of those assigned to the National Cancer Institute diet, only 31% lost weight. P-value between the two was roughly 0.01, less than 0.01. That's huge. Statistically less than 1% chance of that being random, even though the authors labeled it a pilot study. What implications does this have for you? Well, this should reinforce the physiology you already know and believe. That is, when you eat olive oil, a healthy oil your body makes ketones, has no impact on insulin whatsoever. And insulin is the controlling hormone. When you put out insulin, insulin is a growth hormone for cancer, but insulin is also the signal for fat cells to go into storage mode. And once they're in storage mode, they're in that for about 24 hours, at least 18. So if you're trying to lose weight, you want your fat cells to be in sharing mode, which is give your calories away. And you can prove that by having beta-hydroxybutyrate show up in your blood. So you can get a finger stick ketone meter and measure your ketones. You will have ketone levels of 0.4 after a 12-hour fast all night, maybe as much as 0.6 by noon. So if you can compress your calories, you're doing some of the same effect. So if you can compress your calories and say, don't eat for at least 12 hours every night, 14 is even better, 16 is knock it out of the park, you will start losing weight. This is huge. I think we should all think about it. What will work for me? Well, I went to a nice olive oil shop. It was a little special visit in pandemic times. And I bought myself some lemon-flavored fresh olive oil in a glass bottle. And I have it down in the cupboard. Every day I've been taking a tablespoon of it. 1 extra tablespoon. I'm also trying to put 2 tablespoons on my salad every night. Let's see what happens. See if I can lose a little bit of weight. We're all probably better off being in control of our waistlines. This is Dr. John Whitcomb giving you an idea to help you with weight loss. Good luck.